Lesson 1. The C major chord. A chord is a group of notes, usually consist of two or more notes that are played together. Chords are used to accompany a singer or an instrumentalist who is playing the melody of a song. Now, the first chord you will learn is the C major chord. Usually, we just call it the C chord. The C major chord is usually indicated by the letter C. Now, that is called the chord symbol. To play the C chord, you place the first finger of your left hand just behind the first fret of the second string, the second finger just behind the second fret of the fourth string, and your third finger just behind the third fret of the fifth string. Now when you strum the C chord, play all 6 strings with a pick at the same time using a downward motion. This is called the strum. Hold the pick lightly and strum from the wrist. Keep your wrist relaxed. If any notes buzz or sound deadened, you may have to press harder with the left hand fingers and make sure that your fingers are just behind the fret, not too far back. The quarter note strum lasts only for 1 beat. There are 4 quarter note strums in 1 bar or for 4/4 time. So you basically just count 1 when you do a quarter note strike. Now the whole note strum lasts for 4 beats. There is 1 whole note strum in 1 bar or 4/4 time. So you basically count 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherein you strum once, you strum on the first beat. Now in the following example, there are 4 bars of the C major chord played in 4/4 time. The chord symbol is written above the staff and it's placed at the beginning of each bar.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So I will play the chord with 4 quarter note strums in each bar. The 2 dots at the end of the bar. The D7th chord. First finger on the second string behind the first fret. Second finger on the third string behind the second fret. Third finger on the first string behind the second fret. So this chord, I'm strumming in half note strums. It means that I strum once, but the strum lasts for 2 beats. So I will strum twice in 1 bar. Each strum lasts for 2 beats. Like this. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try again. Now we will do a chord progression from the C chord to the D7th chord. The C chord, I play the quarter note strums. The D7th chord, I play the half note strums. As you can see, my first finger I use as a pivot finger or as a pivot note. It means that as I change between the 2 chords, the first finger stays in the same position. I only change my 2 fingers to make the progression smoother and easier. the G7th chord. You play the G7th chord and you place your first, second, and third finger of your left hand as I show here.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now I'm combining all three chords together and I'm playing this chord progression. So the idea is that to practice this chord progression, moving from one chord to the other chord as often as possible. Hi guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe, and I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and be on the outlook for more videos. Thank you very much. God bless you.